They call it the Game of Kings, but did you know it started off as a 6th century war simulator? For most creators, condensing 1,500 years of history into a 1-minute cinematic epic would be a week-long headache. But using the online AI video editor FlexClip, I did it literally in a few minutes. Today, I'll pull the curtain back on how FlexClip handled writing the script, exporting the final video, and everything else in between. If you want to create high-end video content without the high-end learning curve, you need to see this workflow. Let's get started. To sign up for FlexClip, start by going to flexclip.com and click on Sign Up. You can use Google, Facebook, or an email address. Pick one and follow the directions. On the main page, I'll start by clicking on AI Video Script. From here, I'll type in the following prompt. I would like to create a video briefly explaining the history of chess. After selecting Generate, I get a full script of the entire video. I can change that all I want, but for this demonstration I won't. Instead, I'll go ahead and copy that script. Now I'll go back to the main page. From here, I'll select AI Video Studio, and then Script to Video. Since I already have the existing script, I'll select Enter/Paste Script. I'll go ahead and paste that script here. After selecting Next, the script is placed into scenes. I'll select Next again, and now I can choose the video settings that I want. I'll go ahead and keep it as 16:9 aspect ratio, and I'll leave the voice as Jenny Female. In fact, I'll just go ahead and leave everything the same and select Generate. A few moments later, I have my video. I think I'll take a couple of minutes and add punctuation to the subtitles. Okay, now I'm ready to export the video. To do that, I'll select Export, confirm my settings, and then select Export again. Voila! And now I have a video ready to post. Do you want to see it? Here it is.
Welcome to the world of chess, a game of strategy and skill. Chess originated in India over 1,500 years ago, known then as chaturanga. It spread to Persia, where it became Shah-mat, meaning the king is dead. By the 9th century, chess reached Europe via the Islamic world, captivating nobility. The rules we know today began to form in the 15th century, enhancing gameplay. The first modern tournament was held in London in 1851, sparking global interest. Legends like Bobby Fischer and Garry Kasparov defined competitive chess. In the late 20th century, computers started to compete, changing the game forever. Chess has inspired countless works, becoming a symbol of intellect and strategy. Today, chess is played globally, embraced by millions, both online and offline. From its ancient roots to modern-day competitions, chess continues to evolve. Join the ranks of chess enthusiasts and explore the endless possibilities of this timeless game.
It's incredible how far AI video editing has come. What used to take hours of manual work literally takes just a few clicks in FlexClip. Listen, if this video helped you to find a shortcut for your next project, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you won't miss out on the next tutorial that I make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.